Hey there, ladies. How are you? I wanted to hop on tonight and talk about the receiving part of manifestation and about letting go. Really, really important part of manifesting. And sometimes it can be a part that a lot of people miss out. And so, you see, it's been really clear to me lately that a lot of the purpose of my work is to actually help women come back into their feminine energy. Okay. Now, don't get me wrong. We need the masculine. We always need the masculine energy because that holds the structures and it does help us to take action and do things and all of that kind of thing. But the feminine energy is really about letting go and receiving and allowing and opening your energy. Whereas masculine is more doing, thinking, problem solving, pushing, striving, thinking, all of that kind of push. Now, I've sat in that kind of energy for a lot of my life, right? And it's just been recently, especially the last few months, where I've really started to go into that feminine energy and let go more, relax more, release, and really building that connection with the universe and starting to trust the universe more instead of feeling like I have to control everything, right, in the manifestation process. So, in the actual process of manifestation, there is a few things in the process. Yes, we release resistance, all of that kind of thing. But a part of that process is also about letting go and receiving your manifestation. I think a lot of us women are out there in a masculine world and we are taught to be masculine. Let me know in the comments if you agree with that. It's like, as a feminine woman, we're different. We're emotional. We have cycles. We have our period cycles, and sometimes when we're having our period, we don't even want to be doing much. We might be exhausted, but we've still got to go out and work and earn money and push through our own feelings in our body, right? And so I feel like this is really a missing key for many women, that we have lost that feminine side of ourselves. And like I said, that feminine side is really important in the manifesting process because it's about receiving what we want. It's giving me goosebumps. I've got goosebumps right now. Just went all over my body as I said the receiving part. Because, the pushing all the time, the controlling, the problem solving, all of that kind of thing is going to burn you out. And it probably already has at times, But I really feel like I said, we have been brought up in a masculine world. And as women, we haven't been taught how to connect with ourselves properly. Like, it's been lost along the way. Back in tribal days, it would have been much different. And, when women had their period, it was honored. Like, hello, we carry babies in our body. We receive the baby in our body and we grow it without even thinking about it. We receive the baby and it grows, right? We are powerful. We are needed. And I just feel like, a lot of my purpose at the moment I've been finding is helping people to connect to that feminine energy, that letting go, that trusting in the universe, all of that kind of thing. So my real message here today is how much are you trapped in masculine energy, fixing, doing, problem solving, and how much time are you spending in feminine, being, relaxing, allowing, and opening? I would love to know. Let me know. I also do have a flower essence that is amazing at helping balance the masculine and feminine energies, and it also balances the left and right hemispheres of the brain as well, and helps the brain to process any traumas and things like that in the brain, because it brings it from the left to the right hemisphere and processes that within the body. And then it also, like I said, helps to balance the masculine and feminine energy, which is really important. But that's just a little side note. You don't have to do it. But if you feel like drawn to that, feel free to message me and I can let you know about that flower essence. Because I actually do have an actual mix with that one that I just mentioned, but it also has a whole lot of other stuff in it helping you to balance your emotions, balance your blood sugars, balance your hormones, your thyroid, balance your conscious and subconscious mind, bring you into more self-love. What else has it got? What else has it got in that one? Helps you to love your body more, the way it is, like accepting it more. What else have I got in that one? Oh yeah, helping you to connect more with that feminine energy and help with overwhelm, help you to relax, let go, all that kind of thing. There's one of those in it, and there's a few more in it. I think there's like 10 or something in there. There's quite a few, and it's quite powerful. It's actually what helped me to lose around 35 kilos and rebalance my thyroid, because I had an underactive thyroid after I had my son. And also just helps me to balance my hormones as well. And if you are going through menopause as well, there's a particular essence I can add to it that helps with like hot flushes and things like that, which is pretty cool. So anyway, yeah, connecting with feminine energy and letting go. That was my little message for tonight. And yeah, I hope you have an amazing night. Let me know what you think, and I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.